Hey guys, in this video I will talk about the best angle grinder. After much research I found these products much helpful for people like you. I will provide you brief information about these products. If you want to know about the price and other information about these products, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT Flexible 60V Max Angle Grinder. The DEWALT angle grinder is a complete party animal for a grinder that boldly barges its way onto the scene with its striking good looks and feature-packed attributes. The grinder is a 4.5-inch to 6-inch grinder that provides immense versatility. You can pursue heavy-duty projects on a larger scale due to its potential increased cutting capacity, allowing you to fit a cutting wheel up to 6 inches. For a cordless angle grinder, this is honestly game-changing. Switching out discs is super simple as it's done so smoothly thanks to the tool-free feature. There is also an Allen wrench included with the kit, just in case you do actually need it for any reason. One must-have safety feature that DEWALT incorporated with the DCG418X1 is the electric brake system that engages immediately when the trigger is released and stops the wheel in under 1.5 seconds. On top of that, whenever a pinch or stall is detected, DEWALT C clutch system activates within 1/10 of a second. Likewise, the brake is engaged immediately when the tool senses kickback, and the tool shuts itself off. You're getting a whole lot of grinder with the DCG418X1, and there's plenty more we could ramble on about with this groundbreaking cordless angle grinder. It has very few flaws if any at all, although you can probably already assume that everything mentioned comes at a cost. Positive side of this product. The top dog among all other cordless grinders that delivers corded production. High-tech brushless motor delivers the same performance as a 13-amp motor. Responsive electric brake brings the cutting wheel to a halt in under 1.5 seconds. Next level ergonomics grinder that is super comfortable and brilliantly balanced. Incredibly versatile cordless grinder that utilizes 4.5-inch to 6-inch discs. Negative side of this product. This comes down to personal preference, but the 2-finger trigger switch fitted to this model may not be your cup of Jim Beam Black. If you do favor the paddle switch setup, you might want to ponder your options. Number 2. Makita X8G04C 18V LXT Cut-Off Angle Grinder. The Makita X8G04C cordless angle grinder, a hybrid model that can accommodate both the 4.5-inch and 5-inch disc, which provides excellent versatility. Apart from the immense flexibility the X8G04C delivers, it also possesses a colossal amount of power for cordless angle grinder with its BL brushless motor that generates 8,500 RPM. Makita also employed a rather complex feature that electronically controls the brushless motor by efficiently regulating the power consumption to dictate the amount torque and speed the X8G04C churns out. This handy little feature will most definitely maximize your productivity if you're utilizing 2 batteries, as you can continually rotate without any interruptions effectively. This neat mini feature is one that most other cordless angle grinders surprisingly don't seem to bother with and is very underrated. The X8G04C is also loaded with safety features for overload, over-discharge, and overheating protection. Makita has attached a whole bunch of unique acronyms describing these cool safety features, and while we could run through them all now, you'd really be none the wiser. All of these electronic protections and safeties work behind the scenes to administer measures of control and modulate essential defenses to reduce potential mechanical failure. Positive side of this product: tough enough to be used and abused on construction-type works daily. Variable speed motor drive control that allows you to manually adjust speeds. Automatic speed change technology adjusts speed torque under load. Negative side of this product: premium quality power tool that has a premium price tag attached to it. Number 3. DEWALT DWE402 4.5-inch Angle Grinder. The DEWALT DWE402 has quite possibly established itself as the king of small corded angle grinders for a myriad of credible reasons. This gutsy small angle grinder has been making robust metal materials as fish for more than half a decade. There's a lot to be said about a power tool that can withstand the test of time and has endured very little criticism along the way. DEWALT built this rugged angle grinder to not only fiercely power its way through dense materials like tough rebar, but to do so for an eternity. This 4.5 corded angle grinder is terrific in terms of build quality, and the overall design of the DWE402 has been optimized for those seeking attention to detail and improved ergonomics. The 3-position handle can be placed on all sides of the grinder, allowing it to accommodate both right and left-handed users with ease. Even with the DEWALT DWE402 being considered an entry-level budget-friendly small angle grinder, DEWALT still managed to fit a dust ejection system to this model to boost the longevity of the tool. This dust ejection system feature helps protect the 11-amp motor from contaminants, while also providing an amplified cooling effect over the motor, by which this process effectively removes excessive heat. The price point of the DWE402 is among one of the lowest 4.5-inch angle grinders we reviewed. Considering all the highly functional features and remarkable build quality, the DEWALT DWE402 is undoubtedly the angle grinder that would be considered the best bang for your buck. Positive side of this product: the best bang for your buck 4.5-inch angle grinder on the market. Perfect for homeowners or tradesmen tackling heavy-duty jobs on site. Dust ejection system eradicates harmful dust and debris and protects motor. Next-gen 11-amp motor that punches out 11,000 RPM of outright madness. Negative side of this product: you'll have to upgrade from the base model for the grounded switch. Number 4. PORTERCABLE 20V Max Angle Grinder Tool. PORTERCABLE is a well-respected tool manufacturer that has been developing and delivering tools of all sorts since the early 1900s. They were actually the first company to produce the first portable bell sander in 1926. Not the most amazing claim to fame, but still noteworthy nonetheless. Fast forward nearly an entire century and PORTERCABLE has managed to deliver one of the best cordless angle grinders available today. The PORTERCABLE 20V Max 4.5-inch angle grinder boasts this outlandish declaration with a whole horde of excellent features and some solid design characteristics. The PORTERCABLE also makes use of a sealed switch housing. This boosts the durability even further as it eliminates the risk of getting dust and debris inside the mechanism of the switch. A few other final defining qualities worth bragging about with the PCC 761B is the standard 3-position side handle, the quick-release guard system, and the spindle lock that is activated via a big red push button. All in all, this is outstanding value for a mid-level cordless angle grinder, especially so considering the price. Brilliant bargain buy. One thing that stood out about the PORTERCABLE is just how smoothly it operates. This is most likely because of the high-quality cast metal gear housing that dulls the sound of the gearbox and high-performance motor under load. The end result is a cordless angle grinder that is quieter than most other models. Positive side of this product: barbaric high-performance motor that generates an impressive 8,500 RPM. Equipped with a solid 3-position side handle providing superb control. Includes 2 quick-release guards for both cutting and grinding. Excellent battery life delivering ample runtime for heavy-duty tasks. Engineered with a cast metal gear housing to help dissipate excessive heat. Negative side of this product: weighing 7.4 pounds with a 4.0 amp battery, this is not the lightest cordless grinder. Number 5. BLACKDECKER Angle Grinder Tool. The BLACKDECKER could very well be considered the best budget 4.5-inch angle grinder ever produced. This exceedingly affordable corded angle grinder caters to cash-strapped individuals conducting projects like no other grinder on our list. Pricing aside, one of the best features about the BDEG 500 angle grinder is the metal casing encompassing the robust gearbox. The metal gear case is made of high-grade medium carbon steel that has been nicely machined, which will help protect all the internal components. As a result, the reliability of the motor and gearbox is greatly enhanced, which will help increase the overall longevity of the grinder. When it comes to power and performance, the BLACKDECKER generates a modest, yet very capable 6,500 RPM, with a 6.5 amp brushed motor. While those aren't panty-dropping performance statistics worth drooling over, they are definitely ample for the majority of DE tasks. In terms of build quality, the internal components of the BDEG 400 are surprisingly impressive. The BDEG 400 utilizes industrial-grade sealed bearings, and the motor windings are also coated in an epoxy resin to prevent electrical failure. The BDEG 400 makes use of a standard no-frills push-button spindle lock, which undoubtedly makes life a lot easier when it comes to change discs. Speaking of changing discs, the wheel guard of the BDEG 400 has a quick-release feature that allows you to rotate and remove the guard with absolute ease. Positive side of this product: outstanding value for money small angle grinder that is super ideal for deers. Well-made metal gearbox case that utilizes industrial-grade sealed bearing. High-quality brushed motor with reinforced epoxy to protect motor windings. Powerful enough to cut through dense rebar or angle iron with relative ease. Comes with a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Negative side of this product: SJT power cord fitted to the grinder is not made of the most durable material. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.